BIBO's Tummy Trouble. It's a bright sunny morning, but Bibo isn't feeling too well. I feel weird, he says. Mommy, I feel sick, says Bibo to his mom. Oh dear, let's take you to the doctor, she replies. I'm scared, Mommy, says Bibo. Mom hugs him lovingly. You'll be fine, my dear. As they enter the doctor's office, the doctor greets them with a smile. How are you feeling today, Bibo? He asks. I feel strange, Bibo replies with a pout. The doctor chuckles. Don't worry, Bibo. You'll be just fine. The doctor checks Bibo's tongue. Nothing wrong here. He checks Bibo's ears. No problem here. At that moment, Bibo's tummy rumbles loudly. Bibo looks at the doctor and says, Mr. Doctor, I think I have a tummy ache. The doctor laughs and gives a lollipop to Bibo. You're fine. You're just really hungry. I knew it. I was just hungry, Bibo replies happily.